I think one of the biggest challenges for so many data analysts and data scientists, specifically the beginners, is actually creating portfolio website, right? So most of them thought is gonna be something that they have to pay for domain, pay for hosting, and knowing how to code. But the truth is this: you do not need to know how to code or even get a domain name to have a portfolio, hosted. So let me walk you through some platforms that would definitely allow you to create it 100% free or almost 100% free. The first on the list is Maven Analytics. So go to this particular website and actually set up your account. It's 100% free. You don't need to pay a dime for it. So after you have done that, go to Showcase and actually create your own page right in here. So with that, you are done. All you need to do is to actually house all your projects right inside the portfolio on Maven Analytics. The second platform you can actually use, or the second website you can actually use, is NoviPro. On NoviPro, you can actually create your portfolio, but here's the truth: it is not free, but it's affordable. So you don't need to break the bank to actually have your portfolio website created right in here. It's just something very much affordable. Check out their prices and see which one you can actually afford. Monthly, quarterly, or yearly, it depends. But one of the biggest advantage of this particular website right in here is that you can actually create an email that will help you to sign up to Power BI service in case you don't have a Power BI service account before. So on Power BI service, it does not allow Gmail or Yahoo Mail or any other form of email for you to sign up to it. So all it requires is either a working email or a school email before you can actually sign up to Power BI service to publish your project or your dashboard or report. So now with NoviPro, you can actually do that with just $3. And once you pay that particular $3, once you don't need to pay any longer. You can actually use that particular email as many times as you like, or as long as you like. So that is the biggest advantage of NoviPro. So even if you're not going to use NoviPro to house your, project as a portfolio, just come over here and create an account with them, then sign up and actually create an email to sign up to Power BI service. Then go to Maven Analytics and create a free portfolio to house your project. So what about this? So in case you want to learn about Microsoft Excel and Power BI, I have a course on that. So try to build a portfolio with me. I'm going to show you every single thing you need to know about Microsoft Excel and as well about Power BI. So see you in the class. You're welcome.